The WRX was running really poorly, so I figured I'd take a look at the PCV valve and look at this. We have a stuck shut PCV valve where you give it the little shake test and it'll actually stick itself closed. So if it's stuck in the open position and you're dumping a whole bunch of oil, you're going to get some oil consumption. It's going to use a lot of oil in your oil change because when it's stuck open, that oil is just literally going to pass through here and dump right into the intake manifold. The PCV valve on a 2003 Impreza GG wagon is underneath the intake manifold, right below the throttle body. So remove the intercooler, locate the valve, which is underneath that bypass valve hose. That's the larger black hose. The PCV valve is a 19mm itself, and you can get to it. You just have to snake some type of wrench back there. The other side of the hose that connects to the PCV valve runs to this junction box, which is pretty much a T for the PCV valve's crankcase system, which one side runs from the actual head, that runs from the two sides of the crankcase and goes back into the turbo inlet to be burned off. Reinstall the hose and torque the new PCV valve to 13 foot-pounds. Hopefully this video helps you out. Smash that like button for me. That helps me out. Like, comment, subscribe too. I will get back to you if I can. Alright everyone, support the troops. Take care everyone. Bye-bye.